Top 5 Romanian language learning YouTube channels. Hi, this is Mihnea. Welcome to Romanain Hub, the ultimate Romanian language learning portal. Wow, it seems like we haven't had a chat, a face-to-face chat through this YouTube channel in a long time. So today I want to give you an update of what's happening and share some resources with you. So the agenda for today is there are 3 things I want to talk about. Number 1, some updates from here in China. Number 2, results of my poll from a few weeks ago. And number 3, I want to share with you my top 5 Romanian language resources here on YouTube. So let's start with number 1. What has been happening here in China for the last few months, weeks? I came back to China in February. We were on lockdown, then we went back to school. Now there's another outbreak, so we are back at home. We are not on lockdown. We are not in quarantine, but teaching is done online. So again, I'm back in my office teaching my classes online. So maybe I will have a bit more time to spend here in the studio and create new Romanian language learning resources. Both me and my wife are healthy. We're good. We're doing okay. Everything is fine. I think we're all taking this time to spend more time online and learn new things. I've also been taking some courses that interest me, working on some other projects, but I want to refocus again on Romanian Hub and, give it 100% because I think that the community is growing and you are also taking this time to brush up on your Romanian language skills, or maybe you're also thinking of starting to learn a new language, and maybe Romanian is that language. Now, on May 31st, I asked you what kind of videos would you like to see on Romanian Hub? What's your top choice? And we had Romanian grammar, vocabulary, conversation, culture, and vlogs as the option. So the results are out. Most of you would like to see grammar videos, followed by conversation videos, followed by vocabulary and culture, same percentage, 15 plus 2% vlogs. There were 82 votes, 9 comments, which is, I think, amazing that you took the time to vote. So it seems that I'll be continuing with the grammar videos. I'm planning to make videos of 3 to 5 minutes long, although the longer videos do better on YouTube. They also require an ungodly amount of work. So the 3 to 5 minutes videos are easier and faster to record and edit. And I think producing them and posting them faster is more important so that you have all the resources you need to practice Romanian. It seems that grammar is a highly requested topic, Romanian grammar, and I looked online and there are not that many Romanian grammar videos online, so I think it is a gap that maybe it is time for me to fill. Now, to the main topic of this video, the 5 Romanian language learning YouTube channels that I recommend are as follows. Now, the criteria of me choosing these channels is very personal. I'm not saying they are the best channels out there, but I do believe they are the best channels out there for you to learn Romanian. And I'm not going to debate with you why. You're going to have to take my word for it. Or if you can find a better one, let me know in the comment section below. One thing to mention here, there is no competition between me and any of the other channels. On the contrary, I have mentioned these channels, most of these channels, in my comments and in my other videos. I encourage you to try to find as many Romanian language learning sources as possible. It's good to listen to a different accent, to a different pitch, to a different voice. So, you know what? Let's just share resources. And the first resource I want to share with you is an incredible resource. And this is an incredible person. And you probably know him from the comments down below. His name is Juan Carlos Morales. And if I'm not mistaken, he is in Spain right now. He's a Spanish national, a Spanish young man who has started learning Romanian 6 months ago using mostly resources on this channel. And he has started his own channel where he speaks Romanian, which is amazing because his Romanian language is amazing. And please do go to his channel, subscribe to his channel, and please comment on his channel and listen to what he was able to achieve in 6 months. Now, he does have the advantage of speaking Spanish. He does have the advantage of being able to socialize, from what I understand, with other Romanians, obviously before the lockdown happened. He's an amazing guy. He is proof of what one can achieve by studying Romanian online on YouTube. Alright, so that was number 1. I am posting links to their channels down below, so please go check them out and subscribe to them. Leave a comment on the last video. Juan has already 2 videos up. One was quite recent, the other one was his first video, and they're both amazing. Kudos to him, keep it up. He's also a frequent contributor to this channel, so I appreciate his, dedication to learn Romanian. Alright, the second channel I want to recommend is the biggest Romanian language learning channel on YouTube. It's called Learn Romanian with Nico. Very outgoing Romanian lady who lives in Germany. She is the first YouTuber to do Romanian language learning videos. I highly recommend her, and in the last month she has posted 3 videos, so that's kind of the frequency she posts with, and there are 214 videos as of now on her channel, from grammar to conversation to culture to mini vlogs. So I totally recommend. Nico, I suppose, comes from Nicoleta. She also has a book out there and a website and some worksheets, so go and check it out. There's like a lot of stuff you can learn from her. The editing is very good. She's very professional. Her teaching style is, just amazing, and I highly recommend her channel. The third channel I want to recommend is Romanian with Gia, a young Romanian language teacher from Cluj in Transylvania. She is still in Romania as far as I remember. We exchanged a few messages a few months, years ago while I was in Thailand, maybe even recently. Again, she has very interesting videos. She's a very outgoing person, very good editing. Again, it gives you the chance to listen to a different accent, a different pitch coming from a woman, of course. She has 58 videos on the channel already. She does not update her channel that often, but have a look at her video archive. Her last video was 2 months ago. She also has a course, a Romanian language course, which you can check out in her description. And she's also doing Romanian language online sessions. So if you want to do a session with her, you can contact her and study Romanian with her. Now, the fourth Romanian language learning channel that I recommend is one of my other channels, which is basically a vlog in Romanian about my life in China. It's called China Hub, un român în Beijing, where I basically documented my move to China, my move into quarantine China, my life here in China, travel vlogs. Most of it is in Romanian. All the newer videos that I post and that are in English have Romanian subtitles, so I think it's a very good chance for you to listen to how Romanian is spoken in everyday language. And if you're used to my voice, to my personality, then I think it will be quite easy for you to follow. I already know that some of you are already following that channel. It is a channel where I present China as I see it through my eyes as a Romanian living here in Beijing. Alright, so that is channel number 4. Please go check it out. There are over 200 videos in Romanian there. I think it's a very good resource for you to study Romanian as it's spoken, fluently, without the emphasis on the teaching side of this channel. And the fifth channel that I recommend, of course, is this channel, which, without any false modesty, has become the ultimate Romanian language learning platform. I think we have formed here a great community. I see people answering comments in the comment section below, even before I come and answer your comments. There are, as of today, 442 Romanian language learning videos on this channel, which I think it's amazing, and it is by far the biggest and fastest growing channel when it comes to Romanian language learning. We have about 600 views a day, which is again amazing, and subscriber base is growing quite fast with about 10 every day, which I know it doesn't mean a lot. I know it's not like, we're not talking about hundreds of thousands of views here or subscribers, but it is proof that there is an interest in learning Romanian, and it is also a sign to me to tell me that yes, people are interested in this kind of videos, and people, yes, do want to study Romanian, not necessarily with me, but in general. Well, that's about it. These are the 5 channels I recommend. Please go check them out. Please subscribe to these channels. Leave a comment in the comment section of the last video. Promote them to your friends. Recommend them to your friends if you're interested. I'm not talking only about my 2 channels, the other 3 channels too, Juan's, Nicoletta's, Nico's, and Gia's, because people are putting a lot of work in making these videos and editing and uploading. And let me tell you that it's a lot of work and it is very time consuming. All right, that is from me from here in China. Stay tuned for more content coming up soon on a regular basis. Once again, please support this movement, this online learning community. Subscribe to my channel, subscribe to this channel, subscribe to everyone's channel who teaches Romanian. I mean, I'm not discriminating against anyone. Please, let's support every creator who is doing something for passion. If you try to say something or to write something in Romanian, please do so. There are many people who want to read your comments, and maybe I also encourage you to try to reply to other people's comments so that you practice your own, writing skills. And once again, if you can support us and if you can spare $1, consider supporting this project on Patreon. All the links are in the description below. All right, until next time, this is Mihnea signing off from Beijing. Stay cool, stay safe. If you go outside, wear a mask, social distancing, and all. Let's all be safe and continue learning Romanian. All the best. Ciao.